And it goes into a lot of details on how lambdas work. But the thing I want to point out here is that makes things a lot more readable. Okay, questions on that? Okay, let me open this up a little bit more here again. So let's create a little scenario here. That I'm going to have a weather station. Let's say that a teacher has assigned all their students to listen to this weather station, maybe it's a radio station, to find out when the sun rose and when the sun set each day. And then they're going to make a graph over time, things like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to treat this weather station as our source of these events. The source is called an observable. He's the thing that's going to be telling you things. The people who are listening to him are called an observer. So we're going to create our own custom observable situation here. Now the first thing I'm doing is just setting up the weather station as a little GUI here with 2 buttons, rise and set. Very, very similar to what we did in that other example there. And then I have a school assignment class here that just creates an instance of it. The weather station actually shows the GUI inside its constructor. So when I run this guy, I now see 2 buttons, sun rose, I press that, it says rose was pressed, sun set, set was pressed. So that's just kind of our setup for this example. We don't have any listeners anywhere other than to the buttons on the inside. What we want to do is create a custom listener so that somebody can listen to the weather station. So when the sun goes up, they get notified. So we're going to create a little chain reaction here. So what we do is in my weather station, what I've done just to help mark things here is I've created 2 annotations in Java. An annotation is just some metadata you can attach to a class. You can use that to help during compilation. You can use it to help at runtime.